Hello students of class 9. Today we are in the third part of the chapter Geomorphic Processes and Landforms of the Earth. Open page number 58. We will start from Volcanic Mountain. Today we will start from Volcanic Mountain. Volcanic mountains are cone-shaped or conical-shaped mountain. It has a mouth which is also known as vent or crater. It has a mouth which is also known as vent or crater, from where magma from the magma chamber gushes out through the pipe. Apart from the primary crater, this joining is known as pipe. Apart from the primary pipe, there are several secondary pipes from the side. From there also volcanic eruption may occur. So this is the structure of volcanic mountain. Now I am reading. The rupture on the earth surface that allows hot lava, volcanic ash and gases to escape from the magma chamber below the surface is called volcano. They were formed when hot molten magma emerged out from the earth's surface through the zones of weaknesses. The molten material, when remain in the interior of the earth, it is known as magma, and when it gushes out through the pipe and explode, that is known as lava. Ashes, dust, rock fragments, various gases, water vapor erupts with the liquid magma. Volcanic mountains are formed by the accumulation of volcanic materials, lava, ashes. So volcanic mountains are also known as mountain of accumulation. Example of volcanic mountains are Vesuvius, Mount Fujiyama of Japan, Kilimanjaro, Cotopaxi, Popocatépetl, Barren and Narcondam in India. These are the examples of volcanic mountain. Now, what is ring of fire? Around in the Pacific Ocean, there are about 500 active volcanoes are present, and as Japan is located on this zone, so this Japan is an earthquake zone. This region where 500 active volcanoes are present, this zone is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Features of volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountains are conical in shape. See, the shape is conical. The topmost part of the volcano is the opening, which is known as crater. Apart from the primary craters, there are also secondary craters from where also volcanic eruption takes place. Below there is magma chamber from which is connected by the pipe from where eruption takes place. Some volcanic mountains is also associated with crater lake. Now we are moving to the next part, that is block mountain. The block mountains are formed by the explosion in blocks. They are formed by the process of faulting. The block mountains are formed by the process of faulting. These are rock blocks, and when there is cracks or fractures, what happens? The block may rise or may subside along these cracks. So these are weak zone or cracks. Along these cracks, the part of the rock block may subside and part will raised. This subsided part is known as rift valley, and this upthrusted part is known as block mountain. So this upthrusted part is known as block mountain, and and the down-thrusted part is known as Rift Valley. The Block Mountain is always associated with Rift Valley. Block mountains are known as Horst in Germany and Rift valleys are known as Graben. Example of block mountains are Satpuras, Vindhyas in India, Black Forest in Germany, Vosges in France. These are the examples of block mountain. Now features of block mountain. A block mountain has a flat top and steep side. See, flat top and steep side. It is always associated with Rift Valley. Number 3, block mountains are not a high mountain. It is not the lofty mountain. The height is comparatively less than that of the fold mountain. Number 4, the Rift Valley is between the two mountains, which is the passage of the rivers. Number 5, the slide of the block mountains are exposed to weathering, erosion, so they are modified into sharp edges. So you should read the definition of block mountain. What are block mountains? What are rift valleys? Definition with example. How are block mountains formed? With diagram you have to explain, and the features of block mountain. And from the first part, that is volcanic mountain, define lava, define magma, how are volcanic mountains formed, give examples and the characteristics of volcanic mountain. So both the diagrams of volcanic mountain and block mountains are important. Then I am going to the next part, that is the residual mountain. Residual mountains are those mountains which are the previous high mountains when eroded and its height is reduced. This is previous old mountain, and because of constant weathering and erosion, the height of the mountain is reduced, and this mountain is known as, the mountain with low height is known as residual mountain or relict mountain. Example is Aravallis, Nilgiris, Western Ghats. These are the examples of residual mountain. So we are completing this part. In the next video we will start from plateaus. Thank you, class.